Okay, so to add to more of our house projects. Early morning, woke up to an issue at the house. Okay, so to add to more of our house projects, check this out. I started cleaning it, so that's why it looks like this so far. But that's bad. Like, this drain up here was completely clogged. So now I'm in the process of cleaning all this up. That back cover was pretty bad. We saw it and it looked like just some dust, but now that the further I dig into this, that's some bad. There's some mold and stuff in there. So we're gonna bleach this, clean it, get it cleaned up really good, and yeah, that's terrible. Did not look that bad, just opening it up. So what caught our eye was it was freezing, and up here it was leaking out the side. So I don't know if you guys can see that. Let's try to get up. There we go. Yeah. That drain down there was completely clogged. So we're gonna get this all cleaned up really good. Basically what a service technician would do, charge you a couple $100. So yeah, we're gonna get this all cleaned up, and yeah, just maintenance on the house. Early morning, woke up to an issue at the house. This is just more added on to the video of the wonderful homeowner adventures. So just heard this morning there was water coming from somewhere, and down here in our bathroom underneath the sink, right down there. Started doing some investigating, and we found this. Now I've already cut the pipe off, I already shut the water off because I had to shut it off. It was already running for a while, so God only knows how long it's been doing it. But we have a varmint somewhere, and he is having a heyday chewing up our pipe. So I'm gonna run to Home Depot when they open. It has 6. Go get this and get it fixed. So basically this is just PVC pipe, actually PEX pipe, with a cap on it for the sink and everything. So I got to get some tools and try to get a PEX connector, because I'm pretty sure that connector there can pop off, I think. So, but yeah, we're going to find that varmint and we're going to get rid of him. Okay, sun's starting to come up finally. Went to Lowe's to grab some parts that we needed. Got the disconnect tool, we got the piece here off, and then we bought a new piece of PEX, as well as a SharkBite PEX adapter for quick connect. And yes, everybody's gonna have their different opinions about it, whether I should clamp it with the actual PEX clamps or use the quick disconnect. I've always liked the quick disconnect, so we're using that. So pass that off.
Can't see nothing. There. Those really need to be tucked up there like that. But we'll fix that later.
Right now, let's turn the water back on. New pipe.
Don't worry, little mouse. You're around here somewhere, and I'm gonna find you.
I'm late to work. This is already making me late to work, so yeah, let's get this going. Okay, you ready? Okay, it's on. I do like those shark bite fittings, and trust me, I'm not sponsored by them. I've just been using them forever, and they work good, in my opinion. Now, this little adventure is costing us about $40 with the parts. So we had to buy a big piece of PEX because I wasn't just going to try to cut it down and like splice it all together. And we bought a new piece of PEX, bought a new shark bite coupler, and you reuse the piece here for the sink. So it's all good. Okay. Yeah, we don't have very good water pressure here, so that'll be the next thing. But yep, we're gonna just keep chugging away at all the house projects and working through this stuff. So as you can see, we've been having a grand old time. So as of right now, we are finishing up editing this video. I just wanted to add a little clip to this real quick, and we wanted to talk a little bit about this. These are just a few things that we've had. In the recent developments, we've had a problem where our dog, we have a husky, and Stella, you've seen her in some of the videos. She chewed up one of our cords for the dryer vent. Luckily, she's okay. She didn't get shocked from it, but she was able to get from her cage, and she was able to paw the power cord and pull it through the cage and chewed it up to the washer portion of the washer dryer combo. So we have to repair that now. So we're not going to really record any of that. That's just kind of other stuff. That's not really stuff breaking on this. But we are going to be doing some revamp stuff to the house as far as moving a few things around and doing a few more things. So, but the biggest challenge that we've dealt with so far with this is the sewer. The sewer has been by far the worst problem that we've had, and that's been a couple weeks now. So now we have that fixed. Everything's been good. Knock on wood. Everything should be good. We did fix the water issue, and now we are on to just basically general maintenance of the house, doing the upkeep on it so that we don't continue to have any more of these issues. We do have some traps now set for the mice and trying to get them. Haven't had any yet, so he's got to be around here somewhere. Something clearly chewed that pipe up and was having a heyday with it. So over the next few weeks, we are going to be working on the outside of the house, and you guys are going to be seeing some videos of us as we basically build it all out and we remove all the siding. We are going to do a sheathing for some plywood that skins it, and then we're going to re-side it on top of that and paint it and everything else. But we have a plan to skin the bottom of it too, so that we can do a nice skirting around it with some vents and everything else like that to help enclose that. That will help keep the rodent problem down and keep everything from going underneath there. But we will have an access door once we start getting the garage over here all put together. We'll have an access door to be able to get into that under area to still be able to do maintenance and stuff. So we've seen some cool little videos of what they've done. We're going to do a stone around that and make it nice and try to dress it up a little bit. So just basic stuff that we're doing right now. So if you guys are new to the channel, make sure you guys subscribe, and on the next one you guys are gonna really want to see this one, because we're doing a flip on this as far as how the channel is. You know, we've always kind of just been all over the place, mostly me, but we've done the boats and we've done the cars, we've done the motorcycles, we've done it all. And you know something, we are more of a buy it, fix it, live it, and that's our new motto. We're gonna buy it, we're going to fix it, and we're going to live it. And whether we make some money or not is going to be the challenges that we bring to you guys, as far as if that's probably something viable you guys can do. Most people are always asking us how we do that kind of stuff, if we can make money at it. Some of it I make, some of it I don't. So, see you on the next video. Peace.